So let us do one more problem based on trigonometric identities of CBSE 10th standard, and let us see what the problem is. See here, we need to prove that cosecant square theta plus secant square theta equal to cosecant square theta into secant square theta. Okay, and we need to prove this. This is LHS part and this is RHS part that you need to show. Okay, take LHS. Okay, LHS part I am taking now. That would be your cosecant square theta plus secant square theta. Okay, for our convenience, let me write cosecant theta. See, how can we write cosecant theta? Cosecant theta can be written as what? 1 by sin theta or not? Yes, because cosecant theta and sin theta are reciprocals of each other. So here cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. Okay, but here square is there, no? So we can put here square also. So this is sin square theta. Sin square theta. Now, how can we write secant square theta? So, secant theta can be written as what? 1 by cos theta or not? Yes, because secant theta and cos theta are reciprocals of each other from the basic ratios of trigonometry. Okay, so from trigonometric ratios we got this. So here secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta now. So this is 1 by cos theta. Okay, but here square is there now, we can put here square also. Now here we got two fractions, we can take LCM for those two. Take the LCM. Here cos square theta into 1, that would be cos square theta, and this sin square theta into 1, that would be your sin square theta, by sin square theta into cos square theta. Cos square theta. Now tell me, what about the numerator part? Did we obtain a standard trigonometric identity over there or not? See, this value would be how much? Value of it would be 1 or not? Because sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, which is a standard trigonometric identity. So value of this we can put it as 1. And here is sin square theta into cos square theta. Now further we can split into what? Here 1 by sin square theta cos square theta can be splitted into 1 by sin square theta into 1 by cos square theta. We can write it like this. Now you tell me, what about 1 by sin square theta? We said that sin and cosecant are reciprocals of each other, no? So here 1 by sin theta can be written as cosecant theta. Since here we have sin square, we can put here square to this cosecant also. So here in the same way, 1 by cos square theta can be written as what? Secant square theta. So that means here secant square theta. I think we obtained our RHS part, which is required to prove. Understand? So here we took here LHS part and we obtained RHS by simply taking LCM and solving it. Okay, and remember student, this is the question of CBSE 2001. Okay, like that it might be repeated for so many times, even after 2015 also. So take care of doing these problems. These are very smaller ones. Okay, in upcoming classes we will try to upload the difficult models of trigonometric identities also.